Okay, so we have the Goto Worksheet Form open. This is a template that we're giving away. This one's awesome as well. I want to just show you what this is. I'm going to go here. I'm going to hit F5. And what this does is it opens up a little list box right here, and you can select which sheet you want to go to. And when you're done, you just close the window. So let me just show you what this looks like. Just a little bit of the code so you kind of get a background. So when you open it, when it initializes, it goes through and it loads all of the sheets into the combo box. And then when you select it, it actually selects that sheet. This is awesome for when you have very large workbooks, so that you can go quickly kind of up and down if you want to go to the all the way to the end or all the way into the middle. It's just a really nice form. The other thing that's great about this is you can add it into your personal workbook, which I do have this loaded. And the nice thing about that is that if you have it in your personal workbook, you can attach it to your quick access toolbar. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I've got a couple YouTube videos here that will show you how to do that. If you come in here, if you click this button, it's going to give us that sheet. Now, the nice thing is since this is tied to the personal workbook, you can do this for any workbook. So if we open a new one, now there's 1 sheet, 2 sheet, 3 sheet, 4 sheet. Let me show you that real quick. And if I click on this button, it will open those up. Now if I change the button as well, it works. It's a really great little template. It's going to be perfect. It's going to save you some time. Hope you enjoyed.